Hello my dear creative friends, welcome back to Jazzy Jewels. Today we are going to make this elegant and beautiful Maang Tikka, which is giving Rajasthani vibes because I have used some kundans and tilaks in that. So I hope that you will enjoy the tutorial. And before starting out the video, I would like to request you that I have a page on Instagram named Jazzy Jewels. So do follow me there. I have amazing collection of jewellery over there and I regularly post some photos and videos on the same. And if you are new here or if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I request you to press the subscribe button so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewellery making techniques like this. See, I am taking lots of efforts to make such beautiful jewellery videos of such various jewellery designs for you all. So you also have to do one favor for me, that follow me on Insta as well as subscribe to my channel over here. It really motivates me a lot to work more towards bringing up amazing jewellery videos like this. And now let's get started. So first of all, we will stick kundan on this canvas sheet. I am taking this side. And we will apply the glue step by step because I don't want to dry it quickly. Now we will apply one layer of golden bead chain, sorry. So I already had one small cut of this. I have a small cut with this side, so I will stick it here. Do it very properly and carefully. Okay, now we will apply one layer of diamond bead chain. Again, I had this in small cuts, so I'll use these cuts only. It's looking like an eye, don't you think? That's fine. Now we will add again golden bead chain. Okay. I feel that this one is little bit bigger because we could have seen this base from this diamond. So what I'm doing is I am just cutting one diamond from this, and so it will come in the size, and so the paper won't be visible later. Now this is fine.
Okay, now this is done. So make sure that the cardboard is visible very less, otherwise the finishing won't be good. Now we are going to apply this oval shaped kundans and this pearl chain to it. So I'll tell you how is the design. So suppose I keep a kundan here, I will then cover this hole with these 4 beads. When I measured it before, I feel that 4 beads will be enough to cover, so I have already cut in 4. So likewise we will cover this to all, so like this. So let's do it now and let's see how the design turns out to be. So I'll apply glue first. Okay, then I'll apply first one kundan and we'll apply this bead chain. So I have already cut this bead chain in 4 as per the size to save the time. So you have to make sure that as per your size you have to cut the bead chain, and then you have to apply it. And don't stick kundans first, because we don't know how much space is required to cover this pearl chain. So as per this we have to apply kundans, because again we can't gauge the space that will be required to cover these kundans.
If you carefully follow all the steps as mentioned in the video, it will be very easy for you to make this gorgeous hair accessory.
So you can see I sticked all the petals, so and it is looking so beautiful now. So now we will further add this golden bead chain here. So we will stick it like this. One is here and one is here. So for that we need it in a small parts of 3 beads. So I have already cut these beads and we will just quickly apply them. Also we have to add these diamond beads in the middle of these 2 golden bead chain. So we will do that also simultaneously to save our time. So we are going to do all this now. That is, we are going to apply this golden bead chain and diamond bead in the middle of them. So I'll quickly do this and we'll come back to you.
If you have any suggestions or feedback for me, do let me know in the comments below.
Okay, so as you can see guys, this I have completed this and it is looking so pretty, right? So now I will quickly cut this one. This is quite easy to cut because it has a round shape, and then we will do little bit of back finishing.
If you are enjoying my technique till now, do hit the like button.
Cutted the extra part and now we'll do the little bit of back finishing. For that I'll first add two these eye pins exactly opposite to each other, one for adding one pearl dangle and one for adding ganthan mala. So let's do that. So we are going to add it to exactly opposite to each other. Okay, now I'm going to add some extra fabric. So I'm again taking this red one and I'll apply again this glue. This takes a little bit of time to come out. So I'll apply some glue here also because I have to confirm that the eye pins won't come out later. And then I'll just simply put this one here and we'll keep it like this for a while, and then once it gets dried up, we'll do some further work, which is applying Kundan mala and pearl dangle. So guys, this has dried up completely. So now we'll quickly cut this one and we'll just attach earring Kundan mala to this, and then we are ready to wear this one. This is almost done. I will do that. I'll first open one end of eye pin and insert this Kundan mala in that. Again we'll close this one. We will apply this lobster hook with the help of this jump ring. So I am adding this jump ring first, and then we'll add this. Okay. Now for back, this side, down side, we'll apply this dangle. I have taken this flat head eye pin and will insert one 5 mm pearl bead. So we don't need this much big length of eye pin, so I'll cut this into and we'll wrap it, we'll mold it to make a loop. So I'm not going to close this loop initially, rather I'll keep it little bit open and I'll insert that in this eye pin, which is at downside, and then I'll close this. Okay, so with this our beautiful Maang Tikka is ready.
Our hair accessory is ready. I have specially made this tutorial for upcoming Navratri festival. So do make and wear this hair accessory, and you can also give this to your beloved ones. If you like this tutorial, do give the thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any notification in the future. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. See you next time. Until then, this is Aishwarya signing off.